Welcome YouTube. Today is going to be a live trading day. I will not be doing this consistently, but I am currently one day out for my payout. So hopefully we can do this on live today. If not, we'll definitely catch another day. Um, yeah, yesterday was already supposed to be the day, but a slight candle difference was the reason why we didn't get that payout yesterday. But I wanted to see how narration goes with what live trading. Maybe it will help me with my decisions as well, even though my decisions has been bad. There's my alarm for the 9:30 market open. Now I'm looking for a rejection to the downside. Now you may be wondering, why do I have NASDAQ shown here and SP 500, just to see also the correlation, make sure everything's aligned with the movement that I'm looking for. And then I have the mini NASDAQ here. With this here, I'm looking for rejection. There's no rejection that's nearby it at all, so there's nothing pre-market I'm going to be looking at. And with my rejection strategy, we don't trade anything as like this and go immediately down off the market. No, this is just consolidation right next to each other, I like to say. So has to be a trend after the market open. But anyways, we are trending downwards now, which is good. We'll be looking for at least 2 candles before it could possibly go back up to the upside, and that'll be something I enter. So you can see right here, you see how I was struggling here, but over here, we can see that it was still clearly going down. That's why I have those up. Just kind of see what the alignment of what's going on. I mean, as we know, the SP 500 is basically like a brother, a cousin of NASDAQ. So they don't always fully correlate, but most of the time they move in the same direction. And if they don't, it's interesting to find out why. So we have our 2 candles to the downside right now. If we were to get a buy candle going back to the upside, I would take this as a rejection and then zone right here. But of course, pricing continues to keep going down. This is SP 500. It looked like it was struggling to go back up a bit. NASDAQ, it could. We have until the candle finishes. Looking very strong on the sell right now. It can keep going down. We don't know yet, but we cannot just completely say that this will continue to sell. 3 minutes since the market open, anything can happen. We got around 25 more seconds. It does look like it will continue to keep going down, which isn't a problem. We'll just continue to wait. Okay. Wow. Hold on. Okay, we had to get ready because yesterday was literally the exact same situation where this ended up in a buy, but an extremely weak candle like this, and I didn't take it, and that was actually my winning trade. So that's how I have to be so close with it. But it looks like we're finally getting the buy that we're looking for here now. All it needs to do is finish in a good looking buy. Just anything that just looks like a good consistent buy, and we would have taken it. However, it looks like we may be going down still. Not sure. We'll see. All right, price is definitely dropping right now. That's fine. There's no rush on this strategy here. We're scalping, so everything is moving fast for us when we have our time. Let's see what's going on here. SP 500 and NASDAQ are both Like we have an engulfing candle form for SP 500, not Nasdaq. But again, we still got to see. We got 30 seconds left to see what this will finish in. If it does finish in a buy, we'll enter here off of the rejection of this buy candle here. But of course, we have to wait and be very quick with it. All right, this is looking good. We'll definitely be entering here. All right, we got a good entry. TP. I'm not gonna be greedy today. We can just do 850-ish. Not gonna be greedy. I just want to secure a payout here. Normally, I aim for the highs, but not all the time it reaches that high. So we're just gonna aim for 850 here. If we can go ahead and hit that, we can secure our payout, and we'll go ahead and take it out. Looking good so far. Very important, just let your trade fully play out. I'm not touching anything. There's no trailing anything. Just let it fully hit. Right, we're looking very strong. I mean, we got one strong candle going up right now, and we hit our TP. And guess what, guys? We can officially take out our payout with Lucid.